G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we're making a non-alcoholic Raspberry Mojito. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is grab your shaker. We're going to put 1 sugar cube into the shaker. Grab your juicer, half a fresh lime, into there. All right, we've got about 70 mils of just fresh water or spring water. And we're going to get a handful of fresh raspberries. Put those in there and muddle away. All right, then we're going to get about 10 mint leaves. No stalks, just the leaves. Perfect, give them a little clap, chuck them in. 2 quarters of fresh lime, squeeze those in. Fill up your shaker with ice. And then shake away. Alrighty. I'm just going to pour directly into the cup. Alright. And to finish off, we're just going to top up with some soda water. Okay. Now I'll just try to find a nice piece of mint. Alright. Garnish with mint, straw, and we might even put a slice of lime on the side. And there you have the non-alcoholic Raspberry Mojito. Enjoy.